Hello, Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 4 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I'll be explaining how to find margin requirements and contract information in the platform. Let's get started. So to find contract information on the symbols you're trading, go to the trading matrix and choose any of the symbols that are already listed. If they're not in there, you could add them by clicking the add symbol, and then again you could choose what market sector they're in and add it to the trading matrix. But let's start with this micro E-mini S&P for the September 23 contract. So firstly, let's say you want to look at what the contract specifications are and the margin requirements. To do so, click the 3 white dots to the left of the symbol. It's going to open this sub menu. Go down to symbol info, and that will open up a window that will give you all the details of that contract. It'll tell you the description, the name, when it, what month and year it is, the date it first traded, the expiration date, what market sector or complex it's in. It gives you the tick size, the dollar amount of that tick size, what it's worth, what exchange it's on, and so on. Down here at the bottom, you're going to find the margin requirements. Now with this platform, it's only going to show you the initial margin requirements because this information comes directly from the futures exchange. Futures exchange does not deal with day trade margins, so they're only sending out initial and maintenance margin information for contracts. All of our day trade margins will be listed on our website, so you can view them there. But for this purpose, you're going to see the initial margin, which again, initial margin is only typically used if you're a position trader. If you're going to hold it longer than one trading session, that's when initial margin comes into play. Maintenance margin would then start on the second day that you hold the position, and that would be the amount you have to maintain to keep that position. So once you view all that, you can close the window out here. And lastly, what I like to show you how to do is edit the symbol. So here again, we have the micro E-mini S&P for September 23. Let's say we're ready to start tracking the December contract. So again, click the 3 dots to the left, go down to edit symbol. And when you do that, you'll see that a flashing icon appears in the symbol box. You can use your arrows or back key to erase. So Z is the month code for December, and then 23 will be for 2023. And once it's set, click enter on your keyboard. And now you'll see that the symbol has changed, and now the quotes coming in will be for that December contract. So pretty simple. Okay, our next tutorial video will explain how to place trades with the Advanced Trader DOM. So we hope you join us for that one.